Are you looking for the best drone? In this video, we will look at some of the best drone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI set out to build the most fun drone ever, and came up with RYZE Tech TELLO drone, an impressive little drone for kids and adults that's a blast to fly and helps users learn about drones with coding education. Get yourself a TELLO to find out just how awesome flying can be. Flying TELLO couldn't be easier. Just pull out your phone to fly anytime or anywhere with intuitive controls, whether you're at a park, in the office, or hanging out at home. You can always take off and experience the world from exciting new perspectives. TELLO has two antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Thanks to all the tech that TELLO's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks and with just a tap on screen. Flying has never been so fun and easy. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, TELLO shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Now available for TELLO. TELLO Edu is a mobile programming app that supports Scratch. Students can command TELLO to perform corresponding movements by dragging coding blocks on their smart mobile device. Students can also develop programming skills by playing games and completing levels. Discover the fun of programming. Play is an essential part of learning, so we made TELLO programmable with Scratch. An MIT-developed coding system allows kids and teens to learn the basics of programming while having fun. If you're a more advanced user, you can also develop software applications for TELLO using the TELLO SDK. Number 2. Compared with 720p cameras, the FPV drone's 1080p HD camera enables sharing more stunning and crystal clearer aerial videos and photos to social networks. The gesture control feature makes taking selfies easier and more accurate. Make a high five or fist gesture in front of the camera and it will take a photo or record a video. 1 key takeoff, landing, headless mode, and altitude hold features, G sensor, and 3 speed settings make operations easier and ensure a safer and smoother flight experience. Operating this mini RC quadcopter drone is fun, safe, easy for kids and adults. Weighing less than 7.05 ounces, 200 grams, the mini foldable drone's unfolded size is 10 by 12.5 by 3 centimeters and its folded size is 8 by 6.5 by 3 centimeters. Easily carry it everywhere you go with its included travel carry case. Simply draw a flight path on the app control interface. The mini drone with a camera for adults and kids will automatically fly along the trajectory, feeling a bit daring. Try out the 360-degree flip function and watch a spectacular aerial maneuver. After enabling voice control, enjoy hands-free voice control of the RC drone by giving voice commands like takeoff, land, forward, backward, left, and right. 2650 mAh modular batteries can support 25-30 minutes of flight.